what's up guys, Dassah here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a hair review on this wig right here. This is the 14-inch 4x4 lace front body wave wig. I really like this because it's super natural. I'm loving these 100% human hair wigs. I just love the texture of them, the realness of them. Just it looks super natural and just easy to take care of. So I didn't even cut the lace. I just folded it and it still looks good, you guys. I'm loving the like comb over pull over look lately with hair. I don't know, I just like how it looks like with my face and my type of head. But yeah, I do like this texture. I'm gonna turn around so you guys can see the. So yeah, super cute, super easy to just throw on, head out. I know it will look a lot more realistic with the baby hairs out, with the lace laid, you guys. I'm gonna learn how to lay my lace. When you guys come to my hair reviews, you guys can see a little bit more. But I'm for the very simple, easy type of people that just like throwing on wigs and heading out. That's me. I like something quick, easy, and in a hurry. So really love this. Let me know what your guys' thoughts are of this wig. Now we will be getting into the unboxing portion of this video. So I just got my package. It's from Amazon Prime, and I already like the packaging, how it looks. It's in this clear case, and it does have what's inside. It says it's the 4x4 lace front wig body wave, and it's in 14 inches. Gonna go ahead and take it out. Here's the bag, and I love wigs that come in these little cute little bags. I love that it's pink and it says the name of the brand, Be Luck, 100% human virgin hair. Love just how they put this together. So let's go ahead and open it and see how the hair looks. But also says what type of wig it is on the actual plastic. Take the wig out. Here's the wig right out of the packaging. Now what does come with the wig cap, 2 pieces. I've never seen this. I think it comes with some, like, I don't want to say yarn. That's not yarn. Some thread, or I don't know if you guys want to customize the wig. You can. I've never seen that in a wig, so that's pretty cool. As far as accessories, it also did come with these lashes. Now look how cute these lashes are. These are the eyelashes, and it is in the number 16. So I love that it does come with accessories. Super cute, and I love it. So go ahead, take the netting and the paper out. Here's a wig right out the packaging, and body wave has to be hands down my favorite hair texture. I just love how body wave hair looks. Now you guys, look at that bounce. And then you guys see it is a lace front. Now it is not a full lace front. The lace only goes this far, just right in the front. If you guys look on the inside, it is the 4x4 lace, so it's only this area right here. And then you guys see that it does have combs at the top, 1 comb at the bottom, and the adjustable strap. So very nice, you guys. I definitely recommend this. Check them out on Amazon. Leave them in the comment box below. If you guys did enjoy this, make sure to thumbs it up, subscribe if you guys haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.